Hey everybody, Xdesign 101 here, and with this tutorial we're going to be putting a health bar on our samurai enemy. You'll be putting it on whatever enemy you've created throughout the series. So we have a canvas here, and just going to show you exactly what it's doing here before we continue on. As you can see, as soon as I got within his thinking radius and targeted me, his health bar showed up. If he was to kill me, if I let him kill me, let's see here, my health, there, it's going down slightly. I'll keep fighting a bit, because I can see his health. Alright, so he killed me. I'm gonna add a billboard to that actually in this video, might as well. I forgot to add the billboard. You can see it's gonna, I go back to this editor view over here, it'll disappear after 30 seconds. That's what I have it set to. This way it doesn't, bog down the system with a lot of canvases at all times. You can adjust that setting because every time the HP changes, I believe I set it to, yeah, that it's what it's gonna reset that time back to 30 seconds. So let's go to our samurai here. We're just going to right click on him and create a UI canvas. Call that UI canvas well, you can call it whatever you want, but just know what it is. And we're going to want to put a, once you create that, right click UI image. You're going to want to create two images. You can create one and then duplicate the other. If we view this here, also resize your canvas. You don't need it to be that big. So this canvas here is only width 1 and height 0.2. And then everything else is the same with, I just kind of edited it with the manual editor, so it doesn't actually change the width here for some reason with the UI, but whatever. It's just in perspective, it's just inside the canvas. And our background is a grayish color, and the health bar is this color. So on our health bar, we need to make sure that you have go to paint and create a 40 by 40 white square, and then import that into Unity. Then right click on it, well actually just click on it and then set its texture type to Sprite 2D UI, click apply, click on your health bar and put that image in there, and then it'll give you the image type. You're going to set it to filled. You're going to want to put it to horizontal and the fill origin left. I flipped it at 180 degrees, but I guess I could have put the fill origin at right instead, but it doesn't really matter. This fill amount here will show you how it fills. As you can see, it goes from 1 to 0. So to get a proper value, we'll be doing like a divided by math inside of our samurai here. So let's go to the blocks of our samurai. We'll start off with the on I think. We'll be setting our health bar timeout, so make sure that you actually add a float and call it health bar timeout. Keep it at 0 for now because it doesn't really matter. We'll set it to 30 or whatever number you want, and I guess it could be smaller, like 15, because as soon as you leave combat you'd want it to like exit, so I'm probably going to shrink it down to about 15 myself because 30 was too long. And then we're going to want to enable our canvas right here. So this canvas is initially disabled at first, so we're going to enable that canvas when the AI thinks if it has target. That's what this is doing, as we recall from one of our previous tutorials. Now we're going to want to go into our on update here. We have a run after, which you can find in flow run after. You'll put that in there, then you'll get a variable. From the variables you'll get a local variable. Pop that in there. It's the health bar timeout. Once it reaches 0, we'll just disable the find child in self because it's finding the child in this. So we're going to disable that. And on HP change, this is where the big stuff happens. The fill bar. So we're actually going to want to go to character. Oh no, common. We want to go to common. We want to grab that set property block here. As you can see, there's no options here because there's nothing actually put in here. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find our health bar here. So let's build this for you guys. Object. We want to find a child. Oops, misclicked there. Find child by name. So we need health, because that's what we named the red health bar here with the fill amount. And then it's inside of our canvas dash health bar, and we need to put image dot fill amount here, because we have the fill amount that we're trying to change in the image script. So we want to make sure that's being done. And then we need to go to the math. Go to the top here. We're going to want to float a divided by b. Go to character. We'll get attribute and get another attribute. Only two of them. The first one is health, and it's going to be consumable value, or the next one will be health, and it'll stay as value. And that is all you need to do there. Nothing needs to be changed anywhere else, just those three places. So now we can just close here, save, and you'll have your health bar. I've also realized that since our samurai is level 8 and we are level 1, I had to boost my attack power to like 5 damage instead of 2. So in the next video we're actually going to put attack, strength, and defense, and we're going to start doing math for our attacks, because that's kind of something we should have been doing from the beginning, but we just been doing tests to kind of get our NPC and player in. So now it's time to get, a little bit more mechanical with how we do our damage with our monster. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and the next one we'll definitely get started on the proper system. We will import the sample UI that comes with Plygame, because we'll need that. It'll give us our health bar in the top corner here. It'll also give us a bag. It'll give us a settings. It'll give us everything basic that we need that we're going to build on top of. So when we build our crafting system and shops and everything, we'll build it onto the sample UI with blocks. I'm pretty sure that's everything that I wanted to mention for this. So take care, guys. See you in the next video.